controversies from the Igbos and others who claim that the Ikwerre people, the Ikwerre people, and the Oba people are from Igbo. So, but they have told us that they hail from Benin, and we are standing by that. So, finding UKGB, it was a privilege that we should come to reunite from our fatherland. And that is why I'm representing the Ikwerre people today and go to River State to tell us that we are Benin, Oba of Bini.
It's true, Ikwerre people are from Benin. I've heard about that argument when they were trying to say that Ikwerre people are from Igbo. I heard about it. I thought it was ridiculous. But if we should come out and speak. If you come out and make a statement, if they have been talking about that, but you will taking note of what you have said. I'm glad that the monarchs in River State from the Ikwerre region, that they have taken note of your efforts. I want you to tell them that we are going to do our best to unite.
Those set of Ikwerre people went to the Oba of Bini palace, kneeling down like slaves, telling the Oba of Bini that Ikwerre, Oba, and the Ikwerre people in River State are Bini people. They are supposed to go with those kings from Ikwerre land that said that they are Bini people. At least make all of them kneel down like this. They tell Oba of Bini say they be Bini people. Ibanke people in Edo State are agitating that they want to leave Edo State, that the Oba of Bini is treating them like slaves. But Ikwerre people in River State are forcing slavery on themselves, claiming an identity that is not their identity. If you ask all these Ikwerre people now to tell you the name of that their ancestor that came from Bini, they will tell you that the name of that ancestor is called Akalaka. Every Igbo person knows the meaning of Akalaka. No Bini person bears Akalaka as a name. Akalaka have a brother called Ochichi. Ochichi is not a Bini name. In Bini history, there is nobody called Ochichi. Since the history of Bini Palace, no Oba of Bini have ever given birth to a son and named that son Akalaka and Ochichi. But instead, Ikwerre people, Oba and Ikwerre people are claiming that Akalaka and Ochichi are Bini people. Nobody where you go meet for this life tell the person say you be him descendant, make the person tell you say you dey lie. The Oba of Bini wants to expand Bini Kingdom, and that is why he is happy that these Ikwerre people that don't know themselves came to his palace telling him that they are Bini people. If you go meet Fulani people now, come tell them say your great grandfather now of Fulani origin, say you na Fulani person, Fulani people will accept you. If you go meet the Oni of Ife, tell them say your ancestor called Onyekachuku is from Ile Ife. Just tell them say you people are not Igbo people, that you are Yoruba people. The Oni of Ife will accept you with open arms. Nobody go reject such offer. The king of Oba Kingdom in River State said that they are of Bini origin. Some kings in Ikwerre are saying that they are of Bini origin. Ikwerre people are saying that they are of Bini origin. The king of Oba Kingdom should know that by calling himself a Bini man, he is no longer a king, but a chief. He is now an Enogie. Bini Kingdom have only one king, and that is the Oba of Bini. So anyone that says that he is a Bini descendant, if that person sees himself as a king in his kingdom, he is not a king but a chief. The kings of Ikwerre people that said that they are of Bini origin, they are not kings but chiefs. They are just ruling Ikwerre people on behalf of the Oba of Bini that is their king. Ikwerre people, you people should get ready and carry your kings to the Oba of Bini. Whether you people like it or not, if una king reach Oba of Bini palace, they will make sure that your kings kneel down to the Oba of Bini. That is Bini culture and tradition. The Oba of Bini is the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State. Whenever the kings of Ibanke people go to the Oba of Bini palace for their meetings, they are being made to kneel down to the Oba of Bini. That is what Igbanke people have been passing through for so many years in that Edo state. And because of that, Igbanke kings have decided that they are no longer slaves to the Oba of Bini. That they are not Bini people. Those Ikwerre people that are proud of their Igbo identity are supposed to call these people to order. Well, in Nigeria constitution, people have the right to belong wherever they want to belong. There is freedom of association. Who are those ancestors that Ikwerre Oba and Ekpe people are claiming to have come from Bini Kingdom? Their names are Akalaka, Ochichi, and Oba of Bini. Oba of Bini migrated from Arochukwu in Abia State. But today, Ikwerre people are saying that Oba of Bini migrated from Bini Kingdom, that he is not an Igbo man. When the white explorers interviewed Isiokpo elders in the past, Isiokpo elders said that their founder, called Oba of Bini, came from Arochukwu. But because Igbo nation is being marginalized by the federal government of Nigeria, these people now said that their ancestor called Oba of Bini did not migrate from Arochukwu, that he migrated from Bini Kingdom. Because of the marginalization that Igbo nation is facing in Nigeria, Ikwerre people, Oba people, and Ekpe people are now saying that Akalaka and his brother Ochichi are Bini people, that they migrated from Bini Kingdom. According to scholars from Oba, they said that Akalaka, their founder, did not come from Bini. I have the script. I will bring it here in my next video for you people to see. What is the meaning of Akalaka? Akalaka means destiny. What is the meaning of Ochichi? Ochichi means leader. But instead, Ikwerre Oba and Ekpe people are saying that they are not Igbo people, that they are Bini people. Even when their ancestors are bearing Igbo names, they are still claiming Bini origin. The late Oba of Bini, called Oba Eredua, wrote a book. And in that book, he said that Ikwerre people and the Chie people are typical Igbos. But today, those same Ikwerre people are going to the Oba of Bini, kneeling down like slaves. This thing that Ikwerre people are doing, they think say that they can do pepper Igbos. They don't know say that they call themselves slave, that they sell themselves to Bini Kingdom. All because of politics. Long truths. Akalaka, an Igbo man. You people said that he's not an Igbo man, that he's a Bini man. Bini people, what is the meaning of Akalaka? Instead, Bini people are telling us that Akalaka is originally called Obelaka. That Akalaka migrated from Obelaka. That his name is not Akalaka. That Akalaka that we are calling him is a mispronunciation. That the name Obelaka was Igbonized to Akalaka. That Ochichi is not Ochichi. That Ochichi is Ogwigwi. That Igbo people are the ones that changed the name from Ogwigwi to Ochichi. And some Ikwerre people are believing these Bini people because since they born them with hate, telling them that Igbo people are your enemies. Igbo people are this. Igbo people are that. Igbo people want to take over your land. Igbo people are wicked. Igbo people love money. Igbo people are ritualists. Now all those things they take bring them up. And that is why you are seeing them saying that they are not Igbo people. Now themselves that they do, they're not a Igbo nation. Igbo nation will surely come out stronger in this country called Nigeria. Igbo nation is a great nation. Forget all these things what they pass through today for Nigeria. Igbo nation will surely come out great. And all those people that are denying that they are not Igbo people, they will surely come back to identify as Igbo people. Your kings in Ikwerre land are now chiefs. You people have now turned the kings in Ikwerre land as dukes, as common chiefs. The meaning of Akalaka in Ikwerre is different from the meaning of Akalaka in Ekpeye. Is different from the meaning of Akalaka in Oba. When we ask Ikwerre people, what is the meaning of that name Akalaka? Instead of them to tell us destiny, they will say no, Akalaka does not mean destiny. It means another thing. Bini people said that Akalaka means precious cup in their language. I have asked so many Bini speaking people to tell me the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language. They are telling me that there is no Bini word called Akalaka. And I asked them to tell me the meaning of precious cup. They told me that precious cup in Bini language is pronounced as Ukunoga and not Akalaka. And I asked them, what of Ochichi? They said that there is no word in Bini language called Ochichi. That Bini alphabet does not have chi inside. Bini alphabet don't have chi. There's nothing like Akalaka in Bini language. So how come are you people saying that Akalaka and Ochichi are Bini people? This is the same problem that Ezechime clans are facing in Anioma land. The Oba of Bini said that Ezechime migrated from Bini, that they are Bini people. Go Iseluku, the same thing. Go other Ezechime communities where they for Anioma land, the same thing. People that don't know the history of their father, Ezechime. The other day, the Oba of Bini said that Ezechime is not a Bini man, but an Igbo man from Bini Kingdom in Anambra State. He said that Ezechime is a blacksmith and a dibia. That he sojourned to Bini Kingdom. And that was how he became the friend of the Oba of Bini. That Ezechime is not a Bini man. But what are Bini historians saying? Bini historians are saying that Ezechime is originally called Eze Ikimwin. That it was Igbo people that changed the name to Ezechime. And some Ezechime descendants are believing in those lies. Bini Kingdom is a kingdom whereby when they were doing all those their Bini Empire, they are expanding. So the British now came to Nigeria and destroyed Bini Empire. So it depends Bini people as they take small today. And that is why they are doing everything possible to gather different tribes, telling those tribes that they are of Bini origin. And that is why online, when we say that Ikwerre people are Igbo people, you will see Bini people in the comment section saying that Ikwerre people are not Igbo people. That we Igbo people are forcing Igbo identity on Ikwerre people. That Ikwerre is Bini. So it's an agenda that Bini people are making sure that it comes to pass. But they will fail because the Oba of Bini self knows that Ikwerre people are not of Bini origin. If the Oba of Bini dey sure, make it tell us the meaning of Akalaka. Make it tell us the meaning of Ochichi. Make it tell us the meaning of Okpowagidi. Make it tell us the person wey born that Akalaka, wherein they claim say Ikwerre people na Bini people. Because of say you dey deny your Igbo identity, you can't dey make yourself a slave to Bini Kingdom. The Oba of Bini is there saying, you people should tell Wike to come out and speak up. Now today Wike start to talk say not be Igbo person. Wike have always said that he's a Bini man, that he's not an Igbo man. We know that he is saying all those things for political reasons. Claiming an alien identity. Claiming what you are not. Because you don't know the meaning of your ancestors' name. Okpowagidi wey migrate from Arochukwu, now na they talk say Okpowagidi na Bini person. Even my village Ogume where they claim say they come from Bini, say they be Bini people. They are not going to try this thing where Ikwerre people do, so go they need that for the Oba of Bini. My community Ogume hate kingship with passion. Ogume people will never tell you that kingship na good thing. Instead, every day Ogume people they curse kings. Say you no go better for kings. Say king na bad thing to the society. You will never see Ogume people bow down to anybody. Ogume people always say, Okpala Keze. What we have in our community is Okpala, Okpaluku. Ogume people are watching this my videos. As I do all this video, they see him. My own ancestor is called Chime. He's not a Bini man. We have another ancestor in Ogume called Ifeloji. We have another one called Dezede. We have another one called Uzoka. We have another one called Abolaka. Are these names Bini names? No. All these ancestors ran away from Idu land to our present location. But because now that place they're from come, Ogume people are now saying that Ogume is of Bini origin. And that is because they don't have the clear history. They don't know the history of Idu Kingdom. They think say anything will come out from Idu land na Bini. That is what we are facing in Ogume, my community. Instead of identifying with our Igbo brothers that we speak the same language with, una say no, say una be Bini people. People where they kill una, they give juju those days for Bini Kingdom. Una run come out from that place, una see they claim say, now those people where they kill una ancestors, they give deity. Nine, una be. My village, Ogume, is called Ogumeidu. The same way Onitsha in Anambra State is called Onitsha Donidu. It's the same way my community is called Ogumidu. No community in the entire Okwane land claims Bini origin more than my community Ogume. No community for Okwane land, no, none, no single community for Okwane land claim Bini origin more than my community Ogume. And that is because my community is called Ogumeidu. They are indigenous in Idu Kingdom, not as Bini people, but as ancient Igbo people living in that land. Igoromi people and then some people they talk say they have been living in that Idu land with Igbo people since their history. Why those Anyama people were wrong come out from Idu land can they claim say they be Bini people? Instead of using your brain to know that your ancestors are bearing Igbo names, that they are the Igbo people that this Igoromi and then some people are talking about. Igoromi and then some people said that the reason why all the different tribes that are living in Idu Kingdom ran away was because Bini people invaded, started killing them and using them for sacrifice, started selling them for slavery. That was the reason why they left that land and scattered everywhere. And today, people were run for safety come out from Idu land because of Bini people. They claim say they be Bini people because they lack the true history about themselves. All these things why Ikwerre people they do so they go they kneel down to the Oba of Bini. They are just wasting their time because as far as the ancestors of Ikwerre people don't bear Bini names, Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ndi Igbo did not colonize Ikwerre people, make it be saying I make Ikwerre people start to speak Igbo language. Ikwerre people use Ofo. Now Igbo people carry Ofo give them for hand say make una they use Ofo. No, but they use Ofo. They observe the Igbo for market days. Their language is Igbo, their food is Igbo, their dance is Igbo, their way of life is Igbo. But they are saying that they are not Igbo people because of politics. When you offer yourself as a slave to somebody, that person will embrace you and use you as a slave. The kings of Ikwerre people are no longer kings, but chiefs. That is what you people are proving. If you Ikwerre people like, make una draw tattoo for una face right and Bini, you people remain Igbo people. Because your history prove that you people are Igbos and not Bini people. You dey go beg Oba of Bini say you na slave or make he accept you. You kneel down to your fellow human being. Ikwerre people that don't bow down to their own kings in Ikwerre land are bowing down to the Oba of Bini. Ndenzuzu. Ekwemabo everywhere.